Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust RAM headlights. First, let's gather our tools. You'll typically need a Phillips head screwdriver or a Torx bit, depending on your specific RAM model. Next, park your truck on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall or garage door. It's also important to ensure your tire pressure is correct for the most accurate alignment results. This preparation ensures a smooth and effective adjustment process. Now, let's prepare for the actual adjustment. Measure exactly 25 feet from the wall to the front of your RAM truck and mark that spot on the ground. Then, with your low beams on, mark the horizontal center of each headlight on the wall using painter's tape. This creates a reference point. Finally, locate the vertical and sometimes horizontal adjustment screws, usually found on the back of the headlight assembly. These are key for precise aiming. With your marks in place, it's time for vertical adjustment. Turn the vertical adjustment screw, typically found on the top or side of the headlight housing, to raise or lower the beam. The goal is for the top edge of the low beam's brightest part to be at or slightly below your marked center line on the wall. Adjust one headlight completely before moving to the other, ensuring each is properly aimed for optimal visibility. Finally, let's consider horizontal adjustment and a crucial final check. While not all RAM models have a separate horizontal adjustment screw, if yours does, turn it to center the beam's hot spot directly in front of the headlight. After making all adjustments, take your RAM for a drive on a dark, level road. This real-world test ensures your headlights provide optimal illumination without blinding oncoming traffic, completing your adjustment process.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.